If the Arctic Railway comes, so it means that my people, Sámi people, will extinct, because the impacts to the nature are so huge, and we have to change our habits and the way of practicing our traditional culture.
Many of us across Mother Earth know the Sámi for the sacred relationship that they share with the reindeer, a relationship that is millennia years old. To try and do such an invasive project, such a destructive project in the homeland of the Sámi without even consulting them is morally bankrupt and completely illegal, according to the bare minimum standard of Indigenous rights laid out by the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples.
We have gathered here to protest the Arctic Railway. They are fighting against the railroad to come, because if it comes, there are so big traumas we cannot handle.
Meeting with the indigenous people from Canada and New Zealand, they gave us hope and courage to fight for our rights.
I absolutely believe that the Sámi will be victorious in this campaign to stop the Arctic Rail Line corridor. The Sámi are powerful in their culture, their spirit is strong, and they have the backing of their ancestors and Indigenous peoples from across Mother Earth.